Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying what you have. Run Python 3 version and which a Python 3 to list executables. Once done, identify how each Python was installed, Homebrew, PyEnv, or the Apple-provided build, because removal differs. Make sure to export or copy any virtualenv, pip freeze outputs, and critical site packages. You do not delete until you know what to restore. This avoids breaking tools and scripts. Now, target the specific installation path, shown by which, and prepare to remove that exact directory or package. You now remove the identified installation. If Homebrew installed it, run brew uninstall ignore dependencies Python at x and then brew cleanup. This ensures formulas and symlinks are removed. For PyEnv, run PyEnv uninstall x, y, z and check ~/. PyEnv /shims are updated, then restart the shell. If it's a manual framework in /library/frameworks/Python. Framework. Remove the specific version directories and corresponding /usr/local/bin symlinks. But be careful, do not You finish by verifying the system state. Run which a Python 3 and Python 3 version to confirm only the desired Python remains. If something still points to the old version, relink or reinstall with brewlink overwrite Python at x or reinstall via PyEnv. Make sure your path has the correct entries and remove stale symlinks in /usr/local/bin. If commands fail, check launch agents and shells for hard-coded paths. One key tip: if a package breaks, restore its pip freeze list and reinstall into the active Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.